Three simple indicators is all that you need to start your day trading cryptocurrency journey today. Let me explain to you what these three indicators are and how do we use them. As an example, I will analyze Ethereum today and I will show you how you can use these indicators to make money. Let's get into the charts then. As you can see on my screen at the moment, I have got Ethereum and I've put it on a daily time frame. This is very important. I always use daily time frame. I am not worried about what will happen in the next hour, next 4 hours. I want to look at the long term trend and then analyze what is happening. You can see this green line. What is this? So this is the 200 period smooth moving average. This shows me the long term trend of what has happened. As you can see, it is an upward line. So basically we are in an upward trend right now. At the bottom you can see this blue line, which is my RSI. RSI is like a heartbeat. It shows you what the price is doing. Is it accelerating, decelerating? How much is the force behind the price increase and the price action? For example, if we look here, there was a big red point over here, such a big reduction, and you can see that the RSI went way below. It was in the 20s and it's too low, and that's the point where it started to get back up. So this is like a heartbeat of the price. What I generally like to do is that if it's above 50, so I assume that it's in a uptrend, and if it's below 50, I assume that it's in a downtrend. So the 200 period smooth moving average is here. The price is above this, plus the RSI is 57, which is above 50. So these two things together are telling me I am in an uptrend right now. Now the last component, which is the most important one, is the support and resistance trend lines that we need to use. I will show you how you can use them. Super simple. I will go to the draw tool and then I'll start putting up lines. For example, I will explain to you why. I put a line over here like this. Now why I'm saying this is an important level, let me zoom in a bit. You see these wicks over here, multiple wicks over here, buyers coming into the market and buying a lot over here, price going up. Same happened here. You can see this wick over here, big support, went back up. So this is a very important level for Ethereum. This level is very important. Why? Resistance over here, price drop, resistance, price drop, big support here, big support, bull run started over here, and then again you can see this level is also very similar to the 200 period smooth moving average. So this is a very important level. That's why I have marked this one. The next level is this one. Why? Because you can see support here and then change into resistance, support again here, and then even in the past you can see resistance, support. So this is a area where a lot of action has happened. So this is an important level. Next I would like to put one here, again same reason. You see over here support, resistance, and again acting as a resistance. So this is an important level, and one more over here. Generally what I like to do is that I would like to place 2 lines below the current price and 2 lines above the current price. Once we have this setup complete, we can start analyzing what is happening. So let's see now. As you can see on this level is where is the action happening. Again over here got up, tried to go up, got rejected, rejection. This was the point with this green candle, large green candle. We were finally able to convert this into a support level, and this you can see over here, this red bar came over here but then found good support, green, and then going up, still today even going up. Today we are at 3,300 right now. So we have 3 factors, all 3 indicators telling me that at this moment in time there is a good chance, a bright chance of that this will go back to test this level again, which was the 3,600 level. And now the question is, what trade do you put in? This is a very important question and a big lesson over here. If I was over here and I wanted to buy Ethereum, what I would do is that to keep myself safe, I will put a buy order over here, which is around 3150. My take profit will be 3,600, but I will put a stop loss also. Maybe put a stop loss around this level, 2950. Why? It protects your capital. Risk management is the key to becoming a successful trader. Always remember that. This is the key. Okay. This is very important. So I will put the stop loss here, I will put the take profit here, and I will just sit back and wait for the whole trade to play out. No need to sit there looking at charts whole day, worrying about what's happening to the price. No need to do any of that. Just place your order, set your stop loss, take profit, and that's it. Sit there and enjoy your day. So as you can see, as a general summary, look at this, super simple. Only 3 things were needed over here: RSI, your smooth moving average, support, resistance. Now I can add one more line over here which will really enhance this analysis. Look at this. If I put a long-term trend line over here, maybe from here to here, look at this, how beautifully this is trying to follow this. I will make another line to complete a price channel. So my price channel is complete now, and look at what has happened. This price channel, resistance, support, went up all-time high, came back down, went up. So this is a very important channel for Ethereum at the moment. Whenever we have come down to test this level, we have seen great price increases over here also, same over here also, and this is similar to what is happening right now also. We came down around this channel, we are trying to test this, we are above this. If we are able to escape this, the next resistance 3600, if we are even able to escape this one and go to 4000, then most likely this will be the time where we are seeing the next big price movement. So we are at a very important stage right now, but let me make a summary for you all. So just to summarize everything for all of you, you can see how simple this analysis is. Only three things were needed: your smooth moving average, 200 period smooth moving average, your RSI, and these support and resistance lines. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need to worry about those difficult terms. You don't need to learn anything else. This is how you can sit back and enjoy trades without taking too much stress. If you're new to day trading for cryptocurrencies, if you're a beginner in day trading, always use a demo account. Start with a demo account. Whatever strategy you choose, do a demo account first. Make sure you're able to understand and implement the strategy. Once you're comfortable with it, then go to putting your real money. Don't just jump in and put your real money. This is super important. So this was an analysis of Ethereum, and I hope you guys find this very helpful, and let me know in the comments if you want me to analyze anything else, or how do you find about this analysis. Thank you so much.